Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling the story of Dogman Unleashed, the second book. And the comments if you know Dogman. So this is what happened. So first it says Dogman, our story thus far. This is their second novella. Look, it says, "Hi everybody, welcome to our second Dogman novella. This comic introduction will help you get caught up on the epicness." So there's a world where the evil cats wreak havoc on the innocents. And the sinister villains poison the souls of the meeks. But there's one cop and one police dog knew what it took to have the peace. It says it right here on this page. Not this. Hey, not this one, this one. Officer Knight was the city's toughest cop. He had super punching fists. He could bench press 500 labels. He has a niece of furry, kung fu kicking feet, and pure heart. And Greg the dog was a really awesome cop too. He had a really loyal brain. He had a hat, a mega sniffing nose, super ears, PU, tongue of justice. And when they were together, they kept the city safe from scum, Mr. Scum. See, but it's called Scum. But then, a bomb, I'll put my best men on it. One tragic blunder changed their lives forever. And Officer Knight said, which wire should I cut, red or green? Dogman said, grrr, and he thought it was green. So he said, okay, green it is. And so he snipped it with scissors, and then it says kablooey. And then he says, oh no, I forgot dogs are colorblind. Wee, 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 wee. Let's check. The doctor had sad news for them. He said, I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. And your head is dying too, Cop. Rat. And then, just when all hope seemed lost. Hey, nurse lady, why don't we sew Greg's head onto Cop's body? Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. I know. And soon, a brand new crime fighter was born. Hey, why did I create that cop? Oh man, I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever time. And it was true. Dogman had advantages of both man and dog. But there was a dark there was a dark side too. Dogman had some very bad habits. like he slobbered all over everybody. Oh, gross. Like, and he was obsessed with ball squeak. And finally, for some weird reason, he liked to roll around in dead fish. Oh man, not again. Dogman, you are an awesome cop, but you're a bad doggy. You better be a good boy, or you'll be in the doghouse. Wait, let me just read difference. Will our hero be able to overcome his kitten nature and be a better man, or will his bad habits get the best of him? Find out now. If you like action, suspense, romance, and laughs, then Dogman is go. Dogman is go? That don't make no sense, but we like it. Enjoy! Chapter 1, The Secret Meeting. Early one morning at the cop station, Dogman was being very obnoxious. Hey! Stop it, Dogman, let go! Cut it out! Hey, what's this? Can you read what it says? Chief's birthday. Chief's birthday is today. Let's have a party. We can all help plan it. Calling all cops. And so, I'll make a cart. I'll bake a cake. We'll do the decorations. Down there, it's dark. Darker than this place. Okay, next page. Now all we need is presents. What should we get him? Chief is always forgetting stuff. I know, let's get him these brain dots. It says it right here. To make him smarter. To make him smarter. Good thinking. What else? I know. Chief is very lonely. Hey, let's get him a pet to keep his company. What kind of pet? How about a fish? Good idea. Fish are awesome pets. And Dogman is about to get really bad news here. Right here, Dogman's about to get really bad news. And they aren't filthy and obnoxious like dogs. Okay, it's settled. Dogman, I'm putting you in charge of buying a fish. But remember, don't buy a dead one. Chief does not like to roll around in dead fish. Only you like that. So don't buy a dead one. Hurry, we gotta hurry. Chief will be back in 2 minutes. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Who's a good fish buyer? Dogman got so excited, he flipped. Flip-O-Rama. Be a flip master. Here's how it works. Step 1. First, place your left hand inside the dotted hand inside the line marks. Left hand here. Hold the book open flat. Step 2. Grasp the right hand to the thumbnail and index Wait. Grasp the right hand page with your thumb and index finger inside the dotted lines marked right thumb here. Now quickly flip the right page back and forth until the picture appears to be animated. For extra fun, try adding your own sound effects. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Don't buy a dead one. Salute, salute, salute. Wait, and then I'm just going to check how it looks animated. Okay, look at the first one, second, and third. Okay. I did it wrong. Sorry, I did it wrong. Go get the fish. Oh, hi, dog. Hey. Clunk. Dog man. Chapter 2. Penelope's Pets. By George and Harold. Ding, ding. Oh, no, it's that dog-headed cop again. Wait. Oh, I can't zoom in. So, where is it again? The pet store did not like Dogman because he was a total pain. He sampled all of the kibbles, he licked all of the bones, and he played with all of the balls. Cut it out, Dogman. Look at the mess you made. Guys, I'm just making it really fast because right now there's 11 minutes there. Is there any way for a cop to behave? Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Give me that ball. Second, third. Okay. Ow, my arm! Then he saw her. She was beautiful. She was fluffy, and she smelled great too. Sniff, sniff. Soon their eyes met. Can I help you? Dogman tried to remember why he was there. Fish. Dogman looked at all the fish. Then he found one. But that one's dead. Are you sure you want to buy a dead fish? Whatever you do, don't buy a dead fish. Well, okay, guys. Can I skip through a little because I'm just going to do this one. That fish cost $5 plus tax. The dogman had no money. I'm just going to skip through the big robbery. Wait, I'm just gonna go like super close to the end. To like chapter 9. The mysterious stranger returns. Hey, look, some old dudes are fighting. Let's watch. You're not going anywhere. That treasure chest belongs to me. Who I am is not important. The important thing is what I can do. The mysterious stranger used his mind powers to pick up a phone booth. What's a phone booth? Beats me. Whoosh. The mysterious stranger then levitated a stack of newspapers. What's a newspaper? Beats me. Thrust. Bonk. Next, he grabs a mailbox. What's a mailbox? Beats me. Clap. Then he grabbed some other stuff with his brain. What's a fax machine? Beats me. What's a VCR? Beats me. What's an Apple Watch? Beats me. Tink. Clock. Things were beginning to seem hopeless until Zuzu came with a plan. Zuzu, no! Rip. Rip. Hey, that's my orange staple. And this coat looks familiar, too. Somebody's got a lot of explaining to do. Flippy? Why, Flippy? Why? What I'd like to know is how. I'm just going to skip this. Soon they reached the top of the mountain. Hey, you guys missed all the fun. Poor little Flippy. He was so excited he forgot about how water freezes up here. I've got to go get. I just love frozen fish. How, how.